Hello friends, we are continuing our discussion. Question number 77. Which of the following is incorrect order of acidic strength? Uh, the correct, this is wrong because oxalic acid is stronger than formic acid. Fourth option is wrong. Oxalic acid is stronger than formic acid. In fact, CCl3COH is also stronger than these two. So this order is wrong. Here it is correct because minus I groups increase acidic strength. This also correct, and this also correct because Cl is nearer to COH group, and here Cl is away from COH group. Minus I group away from COH group, acidic strength decreases. So only the fourth last one is incorrect. Silver halide test for halogens containing compounds is not suitable for fluoride because AgF is comparatively soluble, whereas AgCl, AgB or AgI, they give white, light yellow and yellow precipitate. Next question, which one is most stable carbocation? First option, because the positive charge is in conjugation with the double bond. See, positive sigma pi, whereas here we don't have conjugation. Positive sigma sigma. Here also positive sigma sigma, positive sigma sigma, positive sigma sigma sigma. So here it is in conjugation, so this is the most stable one. Resonance is possible in the first structure. Question number 80. Complete oxidation of 1 mole of alkane. 1 mole of alkane will produce highest number of or 3 CO2, so there should be 3 carbon atom. That is it. Here we get 4 CO2. Here 2 CO2. Here 5 CO2. Question number 81. Which of the following compound cannot show tautomerism? None of these can show tautomerism. We have discussed here it is due to structural compulsion. If this movement takes place, this hydrogen cannot get shifted because if it gets shifted here, then this carbon atom, here also we have double bond and here it becomes double bond, so this carbon atom becomes sp hybridized, so there should be linearity from here to here. So due to structural compulsion, this hydrogen does not get shifted. Here also the same thing is not possible. Alright, this hydrogen cannot get shifted because here it will be double bond, so the carbon atom changes hybridization to sp. Here also the same problem lies. Alright, it is not possible. The compound which will not give Lasne test. Lasne test is for carbon, so if we don't have carbon, it will not give the test. So first option. Question number 83. Carbylamine is alkyl isocyanide or carbylaminoalkane. This is the IUPAC name is also carbylaminoalkane. So which is carbylamine? Fourth option. Question number 84. The neutral species having 6 valence electrons, it is carbene and nitrene. They have 6 valence electrons, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6. Alright. Then fourth option. Question number 85. Which of the following hydrocarbon electrophilic substitution is most easy? See, electron releasing groups, they increase electron density in benzene ring. So if we have CH3 group, it releases electron density like this. So these 3 CH bond electron pairs can get shifted to benzene ring. So benzene ring becomes more electron rich. So this is most reactive. Whereas here Cl groups are electron withdrawing groups. So they will decrease electron density. Alright. Now look at question number 86. Question number 86. If you look at this reaction, this is CO, CH2, CH2 and OH. Alright, this is heated and this water molecule is removed in the first step we get this product, that is CO and this product, and then it is treated with zinc amalgam and HCl. Zinc amalgam and HCl will reduce this compound into alkane. So finally what we get is this compound. Alright, so correct answer is second option. Now look at question number 87. In question number 87, acetone is the major product in first case, say this is CH2. Alright, then C double bond and CH2. In the first step, this is the attack of OH from water, alright, and H from here. So you get CH2, alright, double bond C OH, and this is CH3. Okay, and then this electron pair goes here, and H positive goes here, and this the electronic movement, and finally what we get is acetone CH3 COCH3. And regarding propine, we know that propine on hydrolysis always produce propanone. Only one alkyne can produce aldehyde, that is acetylene. Rest all the alkynes produce ketone. Here with the B2H6 we get anti-Markovnikov addition, alright, and we get propanol in the third case. Question number 88, acid rain. The correct answer is first option, decreases the pH. And question number 89, for 2-hexene to trans-2-hexene, for this reduction means if you want to reduce alkyne to trans-2-alkene, this is trans-2-alkene, either Birch reducer is used, that is lithium or sodium, and liquid ammonia. You must remember this, lithium or sodium and liquid ammonia, or this gives a trans product. And this palladium BSO4 or palladized carbon, etc., they produce syn addition, means they produce cis alkene. Now question number 90, 2-phenyl propene. This is 2-phenyl propene, this is propene, and this is phenyl group, alright. So obviously on acidic hydration, the first step H positive attacks here on this carbon atom, so we get CH3 C positive and CH3, and this is phenyl group. This is highly stable because this positive charge is supported by positive sigma pi conjugate system. So in the next step which attacks on this carbon atom, and we get the final product, that is CH3 COH, CH3 and C6H5. Alright, so the correct answer is 1, 2, 3. This is propane 2-all, and we have a substitution 2-phenyl propane 2-all. Correct answer is first option. Alright, thank you.